Hey guys, so I'm sure y'all have heard of this whole Dubai chocolate thing, and I looked up the candy bar and I saw that it costs like $70 just to have it shipped here. One day maybe I might try it, but today I want to show how I'm going to make a Dubai inspired chocolate shake. So let's taste it. Actually, let's make it first and then let's taste it. Okay guys, so first thing you're going to need is 1/4 cup of pistachios. You're going to need 2 of them actually. Then you're going to have to put some water on it and let it sit for about maybe 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, so that the nuts can soften. Then you're going to need 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Yes, olive oil in a shake. Crazy, right? But it made the pistachios smooth. Now we're going to blend them up by themselves to make a type of pistachio paste. By the way, my pistachios were already de-shelled, so make sure if you buy them, you get pistachios that's nice de-shelled and kind of de-skinned. Then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. Yep, 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup on top of your pistachio paste. And some vanilla salted caramel ice cream. My favorite is from Turkey Hill. You're going to need about 1½ scoops of that bad boy. It adds the creaminess to make it have that nice chocolate bar feel and taste. Because we're trying to make the famous Dubai chocolate bar. Now here the problem is, I don't know what the Dubai chocolate bar tastes like, but this tasted really good. Then you're going to fill the rest of it up with milk until you get to the top of the blender. Right now I'm using the blend jet. And yeah, that's probably about maybe a cup or so of milk. Yep. And then you blend it up until it's nice and smooth. Okay guys, so I didn't get the audio of this part, but it was really good. I liked it a lot. This is my Dubai chocolate shake. If you do make it, tell me in the comments what y'all think. And also, not all the nuts might be emulsified, so make sure that you swallow your drink carefully and chew any unprocessed nuts. Okay guys, I'll talk to y'all later and tell me what y'all think about this. And please don't forget to subscribe if you like what I do. Okay, bye.